Hi, I'm Michael Glennon from Glennon Capital. Welcome to our Stock Insight. This week we're going to talk to you about a company called Silver Chef. As always, these are not recommendations on stocks. These are stocks that we come across through our investment universe that we find interesting. They're businesses that we like to point out to people who are interested in small caps. But we may own the shares in the companies, we may not own the shares in the companies, and by the time you watch this video, our view on a stock may have changed. So please don't take this as a recommendation, but more an insight for gathering information to do your own research and enjoy investing in small caps. Silver Chef's a company that we've been familiar with since it listed in 2005. It's actually was established in 1985 by Alan English, who's the executive chairman of the business. The company listed in, as I said, 2005, and when the company listed in 2005, its main operation was providing equipment finance to the hospitality and food industry. So as the name suggests, Silver Chef, it was mainly providing financing for the big stainless steel stuff you see in the back of cafes and restaurants, fridges, cookware, and the stainless steel benches and shelving and things that are quite significant costs for small businesses when they're setting up. So the premise around the Silver Chef business is that you can rent, try, and then buy the equipment if you like. What we like about the business, and what a lot of their customers like about the business, is that this model significantly changes the money required to set up a business in the food industry. So, for example, if you were going to spend $200,000 fitting out a cafe with all of the cooking equipment that you need, the fridges and whatnot, you can finance that, have your $200,000 for working capital, and then pay Silver Chef, monthly fee of $10,000 or $20,000 or whatever the number might be, which eases your working capital and ensures that you've got a greater chance of success. If something does go wrong for Silver Chef, there's a very well-established market for second-hand stainless steel equipment, and it's quite a big market. We like the way that Silver Chef operates. They've got a national referral business where people that sell and install stainless steel kitchen equipment and appliances will refer their clients onto Silver Chef because they know it's a good product. It's been around for a long time. The company's been operating for 30 years. And in that time, it's grown significantly. So it's had one small hiccup along the way with the share price. But as long-term investors in businesses, we're very happy about the fact that the largest shareholder is actually the guy that runs the business. The company operates in several different geographic regions. It operates in Australia, New Zealand and Canada. New Zealand and Canada are newer markets for Silver Chef, but they're hoping to emulate the same success that they've seen in Australia, which is starting to mature a little bit as a country. Canada has a very attractive profile. It's very similar to Australia, and it's really underserviced in the equipment finance market. Silver Chef operates two main brands. It operates the Silver Chef brand and also operates the Go Getter brand. Go Getter is for businesses outside the catering and hospitality, where it provides equipment finance up to about $65,000 for small businesses. This is an area of the market that the big banks and big finance companies have really moved out of, and it's provided opportunities for smaller players like Silver Chef to really capitalise on being nimble, quick and efficient, and developing a specialty in certain industries where they understand the market, they understand the customers, and they understand what they're lending the money for. In terms of the metrics for the business, Silver Chef has a $250 million market capitalisation. The shares are trading around $8.16 at the moment, and there's 31 million shares on issue. There's estimates in the market that Silver Chef will be trading on a PE of about 12 times 2017. We like the prospects that there's growth going to come through from the operations in Canada. We like the dynamic that Canada is a very attractive growth option for Silver Chef as well as New Zealand. In terms of the financials for Silver Chef, in 2014 the business had revenue of $141 million, and 2015 that increased to $171 million. Net profit in 2014 was $12.7 million, and in 2015 it was $15.5 million. In 2014 the company paid 30 cents in dividends, and in 2015 the company paid 36 cents in dividends, showing the board has good faith in the ability to be able to pay out cash, return cash to shareholders, as well as grow the business at the same time. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you'd like to find out more, you can look at our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our weekly newsletter. You can do that through our websites. Once again, thank you for watching.